Hey guys, and welcome back to Intermediate to Advanced 3x3 example solves. Sorry for not uploading in a while, but now that I'm back, let's get into some more solves. Alright, here's the first scramble. Pause the video and follow along. So the first thing that I'm noticing is that on a white cross, there is a free pair. However, it is kind of jammed in between these two edge pieces. So I think that we probably shouldn't do it, otherwise it'll make our cross solution a bit too complicated. So I'm going to move this white and orange edge in correspondence with the white and green edge, and then we can solve these two edges and do a D prime to finish up cross. Now I see this and this, which we can just pretend that it's over here, except from this angle. So we can set it up into a 3-mover and solve it into the back, which will also turn this into a 3-mover. Now we can solve this pair two ways, but I think the best way would be to do a Y2 and solve it into the back. That left us with the really unfortunate last F2O pair. However, I think I should be able to preserve the cross because the algorithm is mostly comprised of R and U moves after we get this pair out. Alright, now we can do an anti-soon and a G perm. Alright, here's the second scramble. Pause the video and follow along. Okay, so what I'm noticing here is some great potential for some X crosses. These edges are going to be very easy to solve, and this corner should be solved along with the cross. I should be able to solve the edge with it too. So I'm going to insert this first so that that will remain untouched. Now I can do this, and then a D prime, R2. And now I can rotate, and since this corner is still solved between these two edges, I can also insert this edge piece into the back here, and here we have an X cross. Now here's a pretty easy second pair, or first pair, depends on whether you count this as the first pair. So I can separate them, that turns them into a 3-mover that I can insert into the back. Now I have this pair, I can separate those two also, and now it is just a 3-mover into the left. And here's a pretty similar case to the first or second F2O pair. Just hide the corner, move the edge, and now it's a 3-mover into the front. Alright, OLO, which is a pretty easy one, it's just a wide anti-soon. And PLO. Alright, here's the third scramble. Pause the video and follow along. Alright, so what I'm noticing is that on white, there is a very easy cross. These two are already solved relative to each other, and you can also solve this edge. And now this is also ready to solve. Now we have our first pair, which we can rotate and do into the back, along with our second pair, which we can just solve like this. Now we have two pairs that are actually identical, but I think the best one to do would be red and blue. Now we can hide the corner, connect the edge, and then insert it into the back, which conveniently turns this pair into a 3-mover into the front left. Okay, an easy OLO and a J8 perm. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and or learned something, and I'll see you again in the next one.